Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy wood bead garland you can use for home decoration. For the materials you'll need wood beads, yarn, scissors, and a yarn needle. First we're going to make a tassel by wrapping the yarn around your hand 15 times. Cut the end and thread the end of the skein of yarn through the loops and tie it. Cut the bottom of the loops. Now thread the yarn onto the needle and start threading on the wood beads. Do this until you're out of beads. Then create a tassel on the other side. Thread it onto the yarn with the beads on it and tie it. Cut the loops. Now take a different piece of yarn and wrap it around the cut yarn to really finish the tassel. Do this on the other side too. And that's it! This took me about 10 minutes to make, and it's a great addition to my home decor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.